Welcome back to Happily Home Cooking. Today we're making my absolute favorite smoothie of all time. This mango smoothie has all the tropical vibes, is packed with protein and vitamin C, and has no processed or artificial sugars, and is made entirely with ingredients from Costco. Most importantly, it is crazy delicious. We make this all the time as a meal replacement for breakfast or lunch. Our kids love them for an after-school snack. They have a great, thick and creamy texture, and after you try it, you won't ever want to go to Jamba Juice again. We're so glad you're here today. Grab your blender and let's go make these amazing tropical mango smoothies at home. So we are making a nice big pitcher of smoothies for the family today, enough for 4 people. We'll start things off with our fruit, which for this smoothie is frozen mango chunks. Costco has a fantastic selection of frozen organic fruit these days, which not only is convenient, but also usually cheaper than buying the fruit, cutting it up, and freezing it yourself. We'll fill our pitcher to around the 4-cup marker with our mango chunks. And yes, I definitely do suggest using frozen fruit specifically rather than fresh because it is what will give our smoothie that thick, frozen, luscious texture. Next, we're adding 3 sources of healthy protein to our smoothie. First up is a handful of walnuts, maybe half a cup or so. Just plain walnuts, no added oils or salt. These grind up beautifully in the blender, and we like to leave them in little chunks small enough to fit through the straw for added texture. But if you don't like crunchy chunks, you can just blend your smoothie a little longer than us for a finer texture. Protein number 2 is plain Greek yogurt. Flavored yogurts are often sweetened with a crazy amount of sugar, so we like to use plain yogurt and sweeten it ourselves with healthier alternatives. We'll add a couple good scoops. And we always just eyeball our measurements for this, but we'll put approximate measurements in the description for you as well. So to sweeten our plain yogurt, we like to use Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a super healthy, raw, and unpasteurized honey from New Zealand that's not only a great natural sweetener, but it's known for its high antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory properties. We are so happy Costco has started carrying this. It's fantastic and so good for you. We add a good heaping tablespoon of it. And no waste here, we're gonna scrape off all that goodness. All right, and now for protein number 3, we have vanilla protein powder. Not all protein powders are equally nutritious. So many contain garbage artificial sweeteners like sucralose, but this brand Ascent is our favorite one we found at Costco because not only does it have a delicious taste, but it's sweetened only with stevia leaf extract. Of course, you can use your favorite vanilla protein of choice, but this is the one we recommend from Costco. For this pitcher of smoothies, I'll use around 1.5 to 2 scoops of protein powder. In addition to our protein powder, we also like to add collagen to our smoothies. It's completely unflavored, you won't even know it's there, but it's so good for boosting your body's natural production of collagen, which can improve skin elasticity, reduce joint pain, strengthen bones and nails, and more. Of course, if you don't have collagen, you do not have to run out and grab it. This smoothie comes out fantastic with or without it. All right, now we need to add some liquid to our smoothie, and for this tropical mango smoothie, I like to use pineapple juice. Pineapple juice gives us all those tropical vibes. It's high in vitamin C and has no added sugar. For this pitcher, we use 1 small can of pineapple juice. Then for the rest of our liquid, we're adding milk for that creaminess. Not to mention, it's great for vitamin D. Add enough milk to cover your dry ingredients. Then we'll pop it on the blender for 1 to 2 minutes. 1 minute if you like little walnut chunks, 2 minutes if you prefer a smoother texture. And of course, you can easily adjust the thickness to your taste simply by adding more milk or juice if you like it thinner, or more frozen mango if you want it thicker. This is our ideal texture right here. Nice and thick, but still drinkable through a straw. I'm telling you, don't add ice to your smoothies. Frozen fruit is the way to go. The flavor and texture are unbeatable. Now go find some sunshine and enjoy your tropical mango smoothie that will nourish both your body and soul. If you enjoy easy, nutritious family recipes like this, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel because we have more delicious recipes coming your way. Until then, we wish you a beautiful day and happy home cooking!